We haven't spoken today. I had one appointment this morning and then I was just doing kind of admin-y stuff. So I'm looking at my lip balm. Had it. Okay, Tower 28 SOS lip balm. I'm obsessed with it. I don't love the applicator. I like a little rounded top, but otherwise, fantastic. So good. Literally, I can apply it at night and I wake up and my lips are still like in the morning. Like, you know what I mean? Anyway, so I was just doing a bunch of admin-y stuff. I had to get insurance for my new space. I've been reviewing my lease for my new space. I've had to send it back a few times for corrections. So just doing that stuff. It's really unexciting. My drawer, literally the drawer fell off today. And it was the same day that the landlords of this building were coming by to do an inspection. Like pre-move out inspection, and I was like, okay, I hope they don't think I just ripped this off today out of anger. Anyways, really nothing to report except for I got this cute new top. It's from Black Diamond Vintage. Let me show you more flattering. It's from Black Diamond Vintage. It's so pretty. I love it. I went shopping yesterday looking for a birthday outfit because it's my 31st birthday in a couple days. And I was successful. Pat actually bought me an early birthday gift. Again, told not to, of this gorgeous vintage vest. I'll show you guys later on because I'm sure I'll wear it later this week because I love it so much. It's so beautiful. So I'm excited about that. Oh, but I also got ear piercings. See these two little ball piercings? I got those done because I had a horror story from a few years ago. A friend and I went to go get our ears pierced and we went to this place and it wasn't very good. And both of us ended up with piercings that never healed and mine bled a lot. So my piercer said, oh shit, as he was piercing it. Never a good sign. So I went to like a proper piercing place yesterday and got those re-pierced because it's been years since I did them originally and had to take them out. So I got them re-pierced. My client left me cookies on the door. So nice. She made these at Christmas time too. They're so good. And her and her mom made another batch. And I'm so excited. And she specifically chose a Christmas bag for me because she knew I would appreciate it. Also the note, Rebecca paints Ria's nails or Rebecca eats cookies. So my first point of the day that's in today is actually the one that designed my logo for me. And they're very talented, and I haven't seen them in a while, so it'll be nice to catch up. Also, today is pretty much my last work day. It's Wednesday, which usually I work all the way till Saturday. I do have one appointment Saturday morning, but that's it. Tomorrow I'm going to get my hair trimmed, just to get the scraggly bits off. If you are unaware, this wavy stuff is a perm that I've been growing out. Just not because I didn't like it, I loved it, but I'm just growing my hair long, so, or longer. And then I have a massage, and then tomorrow night I'm gonna do my nails, so I am gonna be back. And then Friday, I get the keys to my new studio. So I'll show you guys that, which is so exciting. There will be a full video on that. And Saturday morning is when I have one more appointment. And then Saturday afternoon, Vanessa and I are going to do a cake decorating class, which I'm so excited for. I think that'll be really fun. And then Sunday, I'm hanging out with my mom. I'm gonna go to IKEA. I'm gonna get pedicures in celebration of my birthday, which is on Wednesday. I'm excited. I like being in my 30s. Who knew? The weather is so wild here today. It started at 10 degrees Celsius this morning and the wind has picked up, like tree bending scary, and it's going down to -3 within a couple of hours. It's already at like 2 degrees within like literally like 4 hours. Such a crazy difference, and I can feel like the draft coming in everywhere, so I've just pumped my heat up a little bit. Hello, I'm off today. I think I mentioned that yesterday. But I'm going to go get my hair cut, or not cut, but like trimmed. The ends are crazy and the bangs are so long. So I'm gonna go get a trim. I was gonna walk everywhere today, but it feels like -14 degrees Celsius out. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna take the bus, but I'm gonna go get my hair trimmed, and then I have a little bit of a break in between, and then I'm gonna go for a massage. And then I'm going to do my nails in the evening. So very much a pamper day. I just wish it wasn't cold because I love walking, and I kind of slotted myself enough time to walk from my hair appointment to my massage. Walking is not in the cards for me today. Full bus to myself. It's like Emma. Hello. I got my bangs trimmed, but you can't really see them. I didn't end up getting a full-on haircut, just a bang trim, because we're letting my hair grow. God, that lighting's not very flattering, is it? So I'm at the studio and I'm about to do my own nails, my birthday nails. I'm excited. I just cleaned all my tools and now I'm about to get started. I'm watching Friends. Oh, I also had my massage, which was very nice, but my glutes are very tight, so they're very sore. Not very sore, but they're just a little bit uncomfortable, I think, because now I'm acknowledging how tight they are and how tight they feel on a regular basis. Anyways, I'm gonna have a tea while I'm making my nails, doing my nails, and that's all. Hello, here are my tiny bangs. I'm not working today. I'm actually supposed to be going and picking up my key for my new studio. I booked today off because I had a lot of things which I was going to have to do, like pick up my new key, but also I was thinking that I was gonna have to drop off a vanity for my new studio today so they can install it, but we ended up arranging that, so it's already been dropped off and they're finishing installation on that today. Sorry, I'm out of breath for no reason. So yeah, so I had today off, but I don't really have much going on. So I did my nails last night. So cute. And I'm just back because I was here till like 10 o'clock last night. So I'm just back to tidy up my studio because I left it a mess. And because I have time, I'm like, may as well be here and tidy. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm at home now, but I just got my Sweetie Nail Supply PR box. So I wanted to open it. Sweetie has started shipping in Canada with UPS, and I think in the States with DHL. So everything is so fast now. It's wild. It's a big box, which is good because I need boxes for moving. I literally like saving like all the tiniest boxes because I'm like, I can put something in that. Ooh, these bottles are so nice. Okay, this is the brand Bandy. Yes, that's correct. This is the brand Bandy. I've never used them before. I think they're Canadian exclusive for Sweetie Nail Supply, but they sent me 2 of the base gels and then 2 of the top coats. So I was reading about the base gels and they're actually quite interesting. I'm very curious to try them. There's the Vita base gel and then there's the regular base gel. And their recommendations for using these, for the Vita base, they recommend using the Vita base, curing, and then putting a coat of base coat on top of that. And I believe it's for best suited for really damaged nails. This video has a ton of information in the product descriptions on them, so I was reading those the other day. And then we have the 2 top gels. One is a non-wipe top and one is a wipe top. The comparisons between them, they have on the website like 2 comparisons after wear. The wipe top gel is shinier for longer, it seems. So I'm very curious to try this out. I definitely have some clients who are very picky about their top coats, which fair, like everyone wants their nails to be as shiny as possible. But if this stays as shiny as it seems to be, then I think that's great. Great option. And then we have the Bella Bee collection by Show Me. Ooh, look how pretty those bottles are. And these are really stunning cat eyes. They're like kind of a shimmery. That's open, but it also, oh my god, cute, a little swatch card, but the swatch card is super cute. I'm gonna flip you around so you can see. Okay, look how beautiful that is. So close up so it gets all blurry and get even better sparkle. So nice. Let's check another color. Ooh, look how gorgeous. I feel like we all have 9 zillion magnets at this point, but one thing to note is this doesn't have a magnet. So if you don't have a magnet and you buy the set, you'll need a magnet, which they're relatively inexpensive. You just want to make sure you get a strong one because that's where all the power of shiftiness comes in. And this is a new brand to Sweetie Nail Supply. It's called The Favori. Felt like favorite, but not all the way. So these are metallic inks. Oh my god. Look how pretty those are. These are alcohol inks, so they're air drying alcohol inks. You can use them to marble, you can use them to do all different effects. These colors are beautiful. Let's do another flip cam flash on. Hang on. Look how pretty those are. Anyways, that's everything I got in my PR package. I'm very, very excited to try all those out. Yeah, I'm gonna get back to video editing because I have a lot going on this month, so I'm trying to get as many videos edited as possible so I can just upload and not have to worry about it while I'm like trying to move. Hello, look at my cute little outfit. This little vest Pat just got me as an early birthday gift from Black Diamond Vintage. I'm obsessed with it. And then as per usual, my kilt over jeans. And then the slippers because it's chilly. I just had one client in this morning, and then I'm going to do cake decorating this evening with Vanessa, or this afternoon, which I'm super excited for, but I have a bit of time to kill before I have to head out a few hours. My super is coming to fix my broken drawer for me, but I think I might swatch my new gels. Look how cute my little cake is that I made today. It's teeny. Red velvet. Gonna eat it now.